get out and enjoy it today. Don't spend many hours indoors because this is a gift from Mom Nature. We're going 83 degrees. That's our forecast high here from Channel 11. 69, that's the normal value. Big gap in where we should be this time of the year. And how about 84 on this date back in 1941? So no record-breaking temperatures expected. Next several days, that's going to put us above average. In fact, the average high temperature should be around 72. So we're at, about 2.5 degrees above where we should be for the month. The month is still very young, but certainly noteworthy this mild. In fact, rain, that we do need. We're still talking about a drought monitor that's reflecting some moderate drought criteria. We are concerned about maybe some burn bans being expanded into northern New Jersey. We have a burn ban up in upstate New York, and that's going to remain in place for the next couple of weeks, probably being extended if we don't get any prolonged rain. Unfortunately, we cannot tell you rain's in the offing because until, say, Tuesday night and Wednesday, that's when this frontal boundary will bring some showers across the region. I'm not liking the idea. It's drying up a little bit, this front, as it moves off to the south and the east. Maybe we get a low that enhances some of the rain, but we need a couple inches of solid rain, and that's just not expected, at least for the foreseeable future. 77 to 85 degrees, the spread of numbers today, solid 10 degrees above where we should be. And again, dry atmosphere, not a lot of humidity, so that'll get us nice and crisp tonight. 47 to 62, the spread of numbers across the area. We're watching the tropics for a couple of little things, but I think it's this wave that's coming off the west coast of Africa. National Hurricane Center has this up to a 70% chance for development. I think in the next 3 days we'll have a name system, would take on the name Jerry, and then all interest across the northern Caribbean will need to watch the potential now of tropical storm, maybe Hurricane Jerry into the future. This is Tuesday, by the way, showing that the isobars are wrapped up. This brings it north of the Windward Islands, and then right now indications are we curve this out to sea into the open Atlantic. Every storm that's developed has done some kind of a recurve, and this one looks to follow suit as we go into next week. Again, Jerry's next, Karen. If we get into Lorenzo, Melissa, we'll see, but this has been a below active season in the tropics. That's something we love to see. 83 degrees today. How about 81 to start your Monday afternoon? Let's keep the 80s going. A nice throwback to the 80s on Tuesday before some rain showers comes into the picture, and then we drop back down into the 60s and low 60s at that on Thursday, which is actually below average for a change. John, we'll send it back to you.